So how easy the AI has become nowadays, as we talk about MCP, Kubectl AI and all things. So what do you think Kubectl AI is? I mean, nowadays we can also use Kubernetes to deploy all these things, right? So because we all are software engineers here, so Kubectl plays a very vital role, because gone those days where we used to type the raw commands. Nowadays we just install the Kubectl AI and then it will fix the pod. So can you put a thought process around it? What is your opinion around it?
So basically, yeah, like because of AI, things are getting more easier. People can able to use natural language to command something, do something, and they can get the desired result. Kubectl AI is also something which provides this kind of flexibility. Like if you just go and ask any DevOps engineer that, hey, how painful it is to work with Kubernetes, troubleshooting it, they will explain you that how critical it is, right?
Exactly.
But nowadays, using this Kubectl AI tool or such kind of functionalities, what we can do is like you using the natural language, you can just go ask about your pod status. Like if you want to deploy something, you can filter it out based on labels. There are a lot of functionalities available. Also, if something is going wrong or you are getting some kind of error, it will identify the error, or also it will tell you that, hey, these are the steps you can follow to troubleshoot that particular problem. So this is how easy it is using Kubectl AI. So yeah, like pretty much this particular thing.
Sure.
And yeah.
Thank you, Abhishek. So Kubectl AI plays a vital role while troubleshooting pod level kind of things, right? Also, we have Gemini CLI as well. Like one of the, I will tell you one of the best uses I have used. I have created an AI agent. Actually, the same AI agent that I was talking about. Like it released the bucket, create the bucket, delete the bucket, release object inside the bucket. I told Gemini CLI to add the extra function. I just added a prompt. Can you create a function that will have the functionality to add the signed URLs? Okay. Actually, it created a function. It has gone to the context of the IDE in which I am using it. Okay, and then it actually created a function, and it asks whether you want to do the changes or not. It's up to me if I want to approve the changes or ignore it. Right? It was very easy to integrate and add that functionality instead of human being to us, right? So AI is all about thinking capability, and the best part is 2.5 Pro model. It used its own thinking, because these are all reasoning agents, right? They work together, it thinks, it analyzes, and then it will give you an output result, right?